Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Scandinavian whisk is probably one of the most underrated tools in your kitchen. This simple yet elegant utensil, rooted in Nordic design, is a testament to the beauty of functionality. Whether you're whipping up delicate egg whites for a meringue or blending a smooth sauce, this whisk promises an effortless and enjoyable cooking experience. Number 5. Zulay Kitchen 13-inch Danish Dough Whisk. This Danish dough whisk makes mixing dough and batter easy. It allows you to quickly mix ingredients without needing a heavy-duty mixer. The high-quality stainless steel ring is durable and removes clumps from dough. Aerate high-moisture doughs effortlessly with this whisk. The 3-loop design cuts through ingredients without overmixing. It's great for scraping dough from the bowl and removing sticky dough from itself. Mix thick dough comfortably with this lightweight whisk. The long, ergonomic wooden handle makes mixing easy. Unlike a wooden spoon, it helps achieve a smooth texture faster, perfect for various baking needs. Cleaning up is simple with this dough hook. The flexible wire construction prevents clumps from sticking. Just rinse it under water and use your fingers or a brush to remove any remaining dough. We stand by this bread dough whisk with a lifetime guarantee. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll make it right. Mix it up with the magic of this Danish whisk. What we like. This whisk makes mixing dough a breeze. Its flexible design gets into every corner of your bowl, ensuring a smooth texture. If you're a baker who values efficiency and easy cleanup, you should definitely consider this one. What people say. This whisk is very sturdy and I believe it will last a lifetime. I like that it is a little longer handle. Also like that it is one piece. Mixes dough in seconds, love it. Number 4. IKEA 403.930.86 Whisk, 13.75 by 4.75 by 4, gray. This whisk is designed to be gentle on your cookware, especially those with non-stick coatings. It helps you to mix your ingredients without scratching the surface. This makes cooking and cleaning easier. Cleaning up is a breeze with this whisk. You can simply put it in the dishwasher after use. This saves you time and effort in the kitchen. This whisk can handle high temperatures up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use it confidently for various cooking tasks. It is a reliable tool for your kitchen. The package weight of this whisk is only 0.06 pounds. It is easy to handle and store. It is a convenient tool for everyday use. This whisk is a great addition to any kitchen. It is durable, easy to clean, and can withstand high temperatures. It is a must-have tool for cooking. What we like. This whisk is designed to be gentle on your pots and pans, thanks to its non-stick coating. It's also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a snap. If you are looking for a simple, easy-to-clean whisk for everyday use, this is a great choice. What people say. It's perfect for preventing scratches, gouging, or damage to the inside of your non-stick or ceramic-coated pots and pans. This style of whisk works great for smaller needs. Very efficient. This whisk arrived quickly and just in time for my 12-year-old son's daily eggs before football practice. This is easy for him to use and cleans up easily. Love that it is dishwasher safe. With this whisk you can whip up and down or around side to side, making it useful for both types of whisking. This whisk is comfortable to hold and doesn't slip out of your hand. It doesn't scratch non-stick pans. Number 3. Patelai 10-inch egg whisk, 2 pieces. Inside the package, you'll find 2 stainless steel whisks. Each whisk is about 10 inches long and 2.5 inches in diameter. They are perfect for your daily kitchen needs. These whisks are made of high-quality 304 stainless steel. The smooth surface makes it easy to use, and it's comfortable to hold. They are built to last. The spring coil design gives the whisk excellent flexibility. This makes whipping and stirring much easier and more effective. You'll love how it performs. The handle has a loop, so you can easily hang it on a wall or shelf. This saves space and keeps your kitchen organized. It's very convenient. These whisks are great for eggs, liquids, and mixing milk. They are essential tools for any home kitchen. Consider giving them as gifts to friends and neighbors. What we like. The spring coil design of this whisk provides excellent flexibility for whipping. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to last. If you like a whisk that's easy to store and provides great control, this is a perfect option. What people say. The whisk is well designed and easy to clean. It's perfect for whipping cream and making sauces. The handle is comfortable to hold. Number 2. Mini Whipper, USA-made stainless steel mixer. This mini whipper is 100% made in the USA. It's crafted with quality in mind, ensuring it meets the highest standards. You can trust its durability and performance. The entire design uses food contact grade stainless steel. This ensures that it is safe for all your mixing needs. It's a reliable choice for your kitchen. It better fits contours of most mixing bowls, sports bottles, and cups. This design allows it to reach every corner. It makes mixing easier and more efficient. Cleaning is a breeze with this mixer. It's dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. It's designed for your convenience. This mixer is built to last, right here in the USA. It's made with quality materials and construction. You can rely on it for years to come. What we like. This mini whipper is proudly made in the USA with quality stainless steel. It's designed to fit most mixing bowls and is easy to clean. If you value American-made products and need a compact whisk, you'll love it. What people say. It does the job and can be stored in a lot less space than a balloon whisk. It's perfect for whipping eggs for 1, 2, or 3 people. They are perfect for sauces and gravies. This one specifically is wonderful, made in the USA with food-grade stainless steel. It is sturdy and feels like it's good quality. Exactly what I was looking for. It is very small, which has been ideal for making scrambled eggs, which I do often, and thankfully they have a larger size available as well. I will definitely want to purchase the size up as well. Number 1. 3-pack stainless steel egg whisk. Introducing the 3-pack egg whisk. You'll receive 3 whisks, including 2 different styles. This versatile tool is perfect for all your mixing needs. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this whisk is built to last. It's sturdy, rust-resistant, and safe for all your cooking adventures. This set will be a long-lasting addition to your kitchen. The multi-wire design allows for quick and thorough mixing. The handle is designed for a comfortable grip, so it won't slip from your hand. It's ideal for all your mixing and stirring tasks. The loop design on the handle makes storage a breeze. You can easily hang it on a wall or shelf with your other kitchen tools. It's a space-saving solution for your kitchen. This whisk is perfect for beating eggs, mixing batter, and so much more. It's an indispensable tool for any kitchen, whether you're at home or in a restaurant. It's a must-have for any cook. What we like. This set includes multiple styles, giving you versatility in the kitchen. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to last. If you like having options and need a reliable whisk for various tasks, this is a great choice. What people say. They are very nice, and helps to remove lumps from lighter consistency mixtures. Works like a charm. This type of whisk is so very useful, especially when you don't want a lot of foam air added to your bake, sauce, etc. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.